In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Vanguard. Now, this can be really important if you want to play games such as Valorant or League of Legends, then you need to ensure that Valorant is installed and set up. Now, to go and manually install Valorant, just open up your start menu, search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left-hand side, click on apps, click on installed apps. Now, using the search box, go and search for the word Vanguard. Now, if you see the Vanguard application, you need to go and uninstall it from your device. Nothing's showing for me as I already have this uninstalled. Now, once you've done this, open back up the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You then need to type in SC space delete space VGC and press enter. Then type in SC space delete space VGK and then press enter. Now once you've done this, close out of this window. You'll then need to go in and close out of the Riot Games application. And now we can open up the start menu and go and reopen the Riot client. You'll then need to sign in to your Riot Games account. Once you're signed in, go and click on Games from the left hand side, go and select Valorant, and this should automatically detect that Vanguard is not installed. So now you can just go and press the update button and it's going to install Vanguard to your device. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.